So if you've ever needed to replace or rename a file in Python, your Python code, that's what we're talking about today. And specifically, I'm going to talk about how you can do this with the OS module. So we're going to go ahead and import OS, and then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to say my little snippet here says if main. It's going to create this structure. And now I'm going to show you the one line of code that we're going to use. Now we're going to use os.replace. Now what replace does is it allows us to basically rename a file even if it already exists. And what it takes in is essentially the source path and the destination path. And we're going to go ahead and say that my source is going to equal this hello script that I have where it's just programming is awesome. It's just the same, it's a file in the same directory as this current script. So I'm just going to say that the source is going to be / meaning this current directory, hello.txt. And then the dest or the destination place is going to be the same thing. I want it to be in the same folder, but I'm going to rename it as quote.txt. Now, when I go ahead and run this, and actually we'll go ahead and we'll do something like this. So you can just see that, hey, look, hello is in this folder. Now, if I clear this and I go ahead and rerun, now I run this, you'll see that if I hit ls, now that hello.txt is gone, and it kind of indicates that here with my VS Code editor, it shows me, hey, that's no longer there. But now there is a quote.txt, and if I show what quote.txt looks like, you can see it says programming is awesome, has the exact same text as we had before. So that is how you can rename or replace a file in Python using the os.replace method. Again, you just need your source path and your destination path. These can be relative or they can be the exact path. As long as they're valid paths, this command should work. You will note that there is no return on this. It just kind of does it. It doesn't return a value or anything. It's just going to do the operation of renaming or replacing your file. So that's your Python tip today. Till next time, keep on programming.